Whose new puppy?
Our new puppy.
Oh,
Yeah.
new puppy.
Hi, this is Pretty Baby Pegasus. I would like to show you Raymond Claus's new dog.
So, I'm here today now. I'm the camera person. Tippy, that's Sage's toy. So yeah, this is Sage. We got her yesterday. She's really cute. Oh, you like toes? You like toes? Oh, yeah, you like toes. Apparently she likes toes. That's good. Tippy, look at the camera. Oh, you too. Yeah, we got Sage yesterday. She's a black-mouthed cur. Here, come pet her and play with her. Oh, look, here's your toy, Sage. Sage, here's your toy. Oh, Tippy, no, that's really. Sage is alright. She's just licking you. She's being a good girl. You should have seen her this morning. She was out bouncing around, being like a little cute puppy.
There you go. Little baby.
So today again, I'm gonna be doing a little leaving the camera out here with her alone for like a minute or so, just to see what she thinks of it. Just 'cause I want to know. But isn't she adorable? Like, look at that. Oh, she just jumped onto me. Did you guys see that?
Yeah.
That was funny. Look at her. So she's 8 months old. We bought her yesterday. She's a purebred black-mouthed cur. She is adorable. So yeah, this is Raymond Claus HD who's behind the camera. I thought you guys would recognize my voice. So, yeah, this is my new dog. Isn't she cute? Here, look, camera. Yeah, it's a camera. What are you doing, huh? This is Tippy. Say hi. Oh, Tippy. You're nasty. Oh. Are you chasing the puppy?
Yeah.
Alright. Well, I guess we'll end the video here. This is Raymond Claus HD out, and
Pretty Baby Pegasus.
alright, bye everyone. Have a good day.